Right, we're going to take a look at this modern day classic. It's a 2005 Suzuki Hayabusa. That's the Suzuki GSX1300R. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's get a close look at this Hayabusa. It is HPI clear. It'll also come with a spare key in the pack. It does have a data tool alarm on it as well. So what we'll do, we'll start at the front and we'll work all the way around this bike for you so you can get a good close look at the condition. It is in nice condition, this. Real modern day classic. Got the crash protection bungs on there. See the Hayabusa graphics on it. The crankcase protector as well there. This does come with a centre stand as well as a side stand. Looks like it's had a brand new chain and sprocket fitted as well. Really is in nice condition, this. Been really well looked after. Let's get a look at that back wheel. Tyres are in good condition as well. Let's get a look over the top of the tank and over the top of the seat. Again, everything looking really nice and clean there. Does have the tail tidy on as well. Very nice Yoshimura exhaust on it. It does have the braided hoses all round as well. Really nice example of a modern day classic. All the plastic's in really good condition as well, as you can see. All the graphics nice as well. Get a look all over the fairing on this side. As you can see, it is really clean. There's the Hayabusa graphics on this side as well. We'll finish at the front wheel on this right hand side. And what we will do, we'll go up and take a look at the dash controls and we'll get the exact mileage off it. Okay, let's have a look at the controls and everything on here. So you've got your front brake, which is fully reach adjustable. You've got your throttle, your hazards, your starter, your kill switch. This is your switch for your heated grips. It does have heated grips on it. And then over on the other side, you've got your clutch, which again is fully adjustable. You've got your lights, indicators, horn, and your choke. So let's flick this on. Oh, wrong one. Turn that alarm off. And you can see it's done 25,615 miles. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close up, we can do that and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.